Menteri Ketanat Forest Jongka Sorkar Jylla James ke Sangma Halor pho terek mentau benai ulapin pau ke Sngewkhia Halor ke Jingthmu banpu ek palm oil plantation ha ke Jylla Meghalaya. Habai krem kala pathai khubor uni menteri ulong bakani ke rukam thung dan kata ke palm oil cultivation kan khata shibo ni kame mariang. Ula benrab ru bo unsa Sngewkhia ek ni ka kam bar Ketanat Forest bar kumjuru bo menteri rang ba ke Jylla konrat ke Sangma.
As Minister in charge of Forest and Environment, I am also very concerned about any move to introduce palm oil cultivation in our state. And we all know how monocropping of the nature of palm oil cultivation is harmful for the environment, how it affects the delicate biodiversity of any region, and Meghalaya especially, because our biodiversity is very, very sensitive and delicate. So we are very aware of that, and we are keeping that very much in our mind.
So, the Chief Minister has welcomed it. So, are you planning to take up the matter with the centre to appeal them to keep it on this idea?
Yes. I think most of the states have been very opposed to palm oil, and Honourable MP from Tura, Madam Sangma, has also written to Honourable Prime Minister, and I will also take this matter up with the Forest and Environment Department, Government of India also, that Meghalaya, if there are many avenues for scope of development and for growth, palm oil with the kind of very destructive nature that it comes along with, I think that we will request the Government of India to reconsider.